Come to the main page, and we're going to go to Google Sheet with Data Chart. This chart has already been made for you. It is a read-only, so you do need to go to File, Make a Copy. And you can save it under your last name, and then first, and then just type in Dice Chart. I prefer to capitalize that, but that's okay. And now I can come in here and I can put my data in where I want. So maybe I had 23 roles there, a little slow, 25 here, and I can record my data, and I recorded all the way through. Now it says make a final column, so I'd probably make it right here, where you add up each row. So I could just put final. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up each of these roles, all 10 of them, and that'll tell me how many times out of the 1,000 that I got heads. And so I would want to, you have to figure out the formula to try and add up all of those rows. And then I would want to do it for all of these rows. Now, again, you could use a fill down or whatever. Again, that's what you're supposed to know how to do. We obviously don't want you just adding the bunch of numbers. We want you to make the computer do it for you. But that's where you then will get your answers here for that final column where we're adding up each row, figuring out how many out of 1,000 we had heads, tails, tails, heads, tails, and tails, heads.